So I'm going to clean my diamond engagement ring with the Diamond Dazzle Stik from Connoisseurs. I was at the beach this weekend and it just got filthy from using suntan lotion, just being in the water, the sand, moisturizer. Just looks really dull right now. I don't know if you can see it. But this Diamond Dazzle Stik is great. All you have to do, it's so easy, is wet the brush, turn till you see the blue gel, and then you just clean your diamond. Make sure you get underneath the prongs, get underneath the stone. And it's funny because I was showing my friends this weekend and they kind of looked at it, and as they're looking at it, I noticed how dirty it was, and I was kind of embarrassed. So I knew I needed to clean it. So then you just rinse it, and there you go. Look at that. It's amazing. It's so quick and easy.